Sound of a heartbeat, gradually increasing in volume. Me asterisk, whispering, have you ever heard it? The sound that makes your skin crawl, the one that sends shivers down your spine? It's not the wind, not the animals, not anything you can explain.
It's the rougarou's haunting call, echoing through the swamps, a chilling reminder of the beast that lurks in the shadows.
Heartbeat fades, replaced by a low, continuous hum. Me asterisk, and then there's the Taos Hum. A constant, eerie drone that permeates the air, driving some to madness. Is it a secret government experiment? A geological phenomenon? Or something even more sinister? Silence. Me asterisk, these unexplained sounds are a mystery, a whisper from the unknown.
They remind us that there's more to this world than meets the eye.